For those of you who are having Shimano RS505 hydraulic shift issues, where if you press this button it does not click, one of the issues may be needing to lube the front, which has been described in other videos of similar shifters. But what I found with mine is the stalk here was not springing back. Do you see how it springs very nicely there? And by it not springing completely back, it allowed this just to travel like this without clicking. So underneath there will be a Phillips head. You'll have to take the boot off, and a good way to do that is to lube it with some WD-40. Then underneath, I'm sorry, I'm having some difficulty. Right in this area here, there's a cover plate with a screw. And there you will find a return spring. There. So this return spring right here has a pawl on it that needs to be on this piece. Mine had slipped. You can see it's right there. It's been put back. So by sliding that backwards onto that, it restores the smooth transition and therefore allows for clicking.